Lesson 10th. Verb. Verbs are the important part of a sentence. You cannot have a sentence without a verb. It is used to tell about the action or movement of the subject. It means verbs show what the subject is doing. Kinds of verb. There are many kinds of verb. Transitive verb, intransitive verb, linking verb, auxiliary verb, modal verb. First, transitive verb. A transitive verb is a verb which shows an action that passes over from the subject to the subject. Transitive verbs always receive a direct object. They need an object after it to complete its sense. To identify them, you can ask the question, what? Yes, Rahul is painting the door. Here, the verb is painting and subject is Rahul. If we form a question using what is Rahul painting? We will get the answer, the door. The door is an object in this sentence. Thus, painting is a transitive verb. Intransitive verb. A verb that does not require an object to complete its sense but makes sense by itself is called an intransitive verb. To identify them, you can ask the question, what? As Rahul is painting. Here, subject is Rahul and verb is painting. Frame the question with what? What is Rahul painting? We will find no answer. It means in this sentence, verb painting is intransitive verb. Linking verb. A linking verb is a verb which connects a subject to the subject complement. The complement which contains additional information describes and identifies the subject. Let's read some examples. As Ram looks said. Looks is a linking verb which connects subject Ram to subject complement said. Be, become, feel, smell, remain, sound, taste, look, get, seen, grow are some of linking verbs. Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs are function words. They are also called helping verbs because they help the principal verb. They are used to form question and negative sentence and they are usually used with main verbs. There are only 4 auxiliary verbs: be, have, will and do. Be is, am, are, was, were is used to form continuous tense and passive voice. The child will be beaten by a dog. Have is used to form perfect tense. I have baked a cake. Do is used to form question and negative sentence. Do you like it? Will is used to form future tense. I will go after the train leaves the station. Modal verb. A modal is a kind of auxiliary verb. It is used to express ability, possibility, permission or obligation. Most modal verbs can form question and negative sentence by themselves. Modals are can, could, be able to, may, might, shall, should, ought to, must, have to, will, would. First, can, could, be able to. These are used to express the ability. You can lift this box. I could run a race when I was fine. Last year, I was not able to hear properly, but now I am able to hear smoothly. May, might. The modals may and might refer to future possibility. May refers to polite request, permission, wish, prayer and hope. Might is the past tense of may. May I come in, sir? She could not do well in the exam. He might fail. May God bless you. He might have gone with her. Shall, should, ought to. Shall, should, ought to is used to talk about the obligation and advice. How long shall I bake this cake? You should be at work by now. You ought to learn to sing. Must, have to. We use must and have to express obligation or necessity. We have to drive left. We have to drive left in England. You must eat healthy food to keep yourself fit and fine. Will, would. We use will and would to ask for something or to express a polite request. Would you lend me some money? I will be careful during my tour. Would provide choices like would you like tea or coffee?